Hello everyone, Yabanda here. In this video I will show the Nemef NF3 pin tumbler. It is a lock with excellent tolerances and very characteristic pins, the behavior of which can become a nightmare for many lock pickers. In general, the locking mechanism consists of 6 pins and nothing else. The main thing here is tensioning. When you tension too hard, the pins bind very strong, and when you get such a lift, you will most likely throw it into overset. However, if you tension too weakly, the pins already set will notoriously drop, and your picking will turn into an endless game of ping pong. The strategy is to check and correct the pins you have already set after each setting. As you lift each pin, gently let go of the tension force, and when you set the pin, increase the tension force and then correct the previously set pins. So it is on double euro. So let's see the internals. Alright, here are the guts from the Nemef NF3. So all the key pins and driver pins are tapered on the bottom and on the top drivers. And here we have some key pins which they are tapered on the bottom. Driver pins are 3 spools and 3 serrated pins or some kind of barrels which are used in Nemef locks. The key pins have a very similar bottom part, and it works perfectly as an overset trap. If any of the pins is in the overset position, it will be probably not be able to dropped without dropping the other already set pins. In addition, we have a key control pin which is passive and prevents to use of an unauthorized key. The keyway is straightforward, it's wide open, so there is a lot of room inside. Here we have housing, nothing special, just driver chambers, and that's how it looks. The key, as you can see, pin number 4 is max lift, pin number 6 and number 1 are quite low. So alright, let's pick it. Right, this is an Nemef NF3, so let's pick it. Counterclockwise tension, and I will start from the pin number 1. Now number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Okay, number 5. Something was dropped. Number 2. Okay, number 3. Number 4. 5 is good. Now little click on 6. think some of them might be offset or number 4. One goes to 3, 6, and we have an open. All right. So let's cut this lock. Clip this off. Okay, and here we have this passive check pin. Okay. So now drivers. All right, and springs. And spring number 6. So that was Nemef NF3. It's picked and got it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave it in comment. So thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.